We are going to now just... Welcome back to the channel. We're just getting up from a little afternoon nap. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, there, look. That's my view right now. Oh. So, as you saw in the last episode, we in the end made it to Taylor River Rest Area, which was recommended in a TikTok. But there were signs everywhere that said no overnight camping. So I doubled back a little bit. There was a logging road, or a dirt road, we'll call it at least, right there. I just went down a little bit, found a little place where another road had split off and they blocked it off. That's what you can, they blocked it off with those big boulders you can see right there. So I just parked in front of them and spent the night. I was so wiped out after getting lost yesterday on that mountainside. You can totally go back and check out that video. Hit like, hit subscribe. You'll see what I'm up to. Yeah. So today is actually really nice. I spent the morning just I did a little editing. I just kind of relaxed. I'm pretty stiff today. So we're going to now go back and explore this Taylor River Rest Area. And I think there's an area to go swimming, which will be nice. We'll bust out the biodegradable soap and we'll get cleaned up. This is just where I stayed last night. A little, I don't know, logging clearing. This road right there. Literally on the other side of those trees is the rest stop. It's actually really quiet here. I didn't hear a lot of, there wasn't a lot of noise or anything. There's nobody coming up here. So I'm just gonna go hang out at the rest stop for a little bit. All right, well, we made it to the rest stop. It's actually pretty busy here. Really nice. I just made myself a coffee and hung out for a bit first. But I did do a quick walk around and well, I don't know if it's hidden or a secret, but I found a trail. So let's go for a walk. We're definitely gonna go for a swim. Found a nice little swimming area. Let's go check out this rest area. It's pretty nice. The water looks beautiful. So I don't know how well it came out in the video there, but there was a little place to swim right there. There's actually a rope you can swing out. But I did some scouting earlier. Found a trail. Let's go see where this trail goes. That's not a bad walk. Not even 5 minutes. Up a little bit, down a little bit. Walked in my sandals, no problem. And here we're coming out to a kind of like a little beach area that I found. Place is beautiful. Beautiful. Look how green that water looks. That's this guy down there building I don't know, I'd call them nunchucks, balancing rocks on top of each other. Let's have a little swim. It's about 26, 27 today, sun out. Not super hot, but yeah. Let's jump in the water. get very deep here. Just up to my waist. I'm 6'4", so a couple feet deep anyway. Very cold, very cold. I see some people down there hanging out. It's definitely nice to rinse the road grime off and just freshen up a little bit. I think we're gonna trek around back to the van. I'm getting a little hungry. Looks like we're barbecuing. I'm just gonna go back to the rest stop and do that. Gonna hang out there until, I don't know, probably quite a bit. Might come back and have another swim. It's yeah. Ooh. I think I just saw a fish jump over there. Anyway, let's trek back to the van. Go get something to eat. Taylor River Rest Area. You know, it's very nice. I think the TikTok made it look way nicer than it is, but it's pretty freaking nice. I don't know about staying here for the night. I'm not going to. It looked like there might be one camper that may have or is going to. I don't know. Is there a fine for it? I don't know. But just around the corner is that logging road. We're gonna go crash there again for the night, and we're going to stay ready to just jump in the driver's seat and mosey first thing in the morning, and we're going to Tofino. You know, I'm the worst at pronouncing names. That's all there is to it, but we're going there nonetheless. And then over to Euclid. Again, who knows, probably pronouncing them wrong. I should probably look up on Google and see if there's you know, where like the computer pronounces it for you. Is that a thing? It should be a thing. I feel like it should be a thing. So we're gonna go check out those two cities. Then we're going to be heading back to Parksville for the day. Just like that. We are already back at where I camped yesterday. Seat out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. Almost made her. Almost lined up. That is not reverse. That was neutral. R for race, my friends. R for race. Back her right up here, and voila! We are going to now just run into some rocks. Well, Let's go see, did we do damage? That's the second accident I've had on this trip in my van. First one didn't cause any damage. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, look. Well, we smacked up the bumper, which seems pretty resistant. But, right there, contacted the rock. Probably somewhere over here by the looks of it. Oh well, you know. It's not the first accident I've had. If you see that. That's from, I have a rack that goes back here. That's my motorbike came loose and smacked my door. I'm going to put a protector on there. I also got, let's see, get it in the camera light. Looks like somebody got oh, there we go. Looks like somebody got close in a parking lot. Give her a scratch. That's too bad. Plus we're missing a hubcap. Oh my God, it's falling apart. Time to sell it. Time to sell it. We're out.